Our team's been using IBM's Globalization Pipeline regularly to translate our app's UI content on Bluemix. It's been a huge success. Our clients and sellers love that we can quickly get them our app in the languages that they want. My development team is pumped about churning out translated content without any sort of interruption to our continuous build process. The fact that IBM Globalization Pipeline is a Bluemix service and seamlessly integrates with our DevOps infrastructure is a real bonus. But now we're faced with a new challenge. My team's been asked to develop an app specifically for the healthcare space as a proof of concept. I'm worried because the healthcare space is filled with specialized terminology. Machine translation might not be good enough. We have to look professional here. Inaccuracies in our translations might lead to confusion for our customers. Abandoning the IBM Globalization Pipeline means we're opening ourselves up to the troubles of dealing with translation vendors, freezing development to translate UI strings, and just wasting time that we don't have. We've learned to trust machine translation from our use of the IBM Globalization Pipeline already, but are we ready to do that on content we're unfamiliar with? We probably need some professional translators to edit and review. I wonder if there's a global concept for a leap of faith?
Watch your step, Maureen. Once again, the IBM Globalization Pipeline is here to save the day. The IBM Globalization Pipeline team is happy to introduce our new capability, professional translation, review, and editing. Now, your machine-translated content can be reviewed by professional translators at IBM in your chosen domain in any language that the IBM Globalization Pipeline supports. Not only do you get to take advantage of the speed and efficiency of machine translation, but you can also opt in to get an additional layer of human review to ensure quality and consistency in an incredibly timely manner. Furthermore, if you bind your app to the IBM Globalization Pipeline in Bluemix and use one of the SDKs, you'll get your translation returns automatically propagated to your app, just like it would be if you were simply using machine translation. It's that easy. All you have to do to take advantage of this new feature is, first, create a new translation request by uploading your English content into the IBM Globalization Pipeline. Then, select your bundle and the languages that you want to translate that content into. After your machine translation is complete, submit your bundle for review and editing by IBM professional translators. Once you fill out all of the necessary fields, you'll receive a confirmation of the total word count and an estimate of how long it'll take. Make sure to specify what subject area domain your app is in. Providing us with that information can help to improve the quality of your review. Once your content's reviewed, the pipeline will get back to you. And what happens if you want to add or change your English content and make another translation request while your previous one is still being reviewed? You can, no worries. The service will automatically detect and manage new and changed content and multiple translation requests. For Maureen, life couldn't get any better. She needed a professional translator to ensure her machine-translated terminology was consistent and accurate. She also needed it all in a very short time frame so as not to disrupt her continuous delivery cycle. That's exactly what she gets now with IBM Globalization Pipeline's professional translation review feature. Despite the specialized domain of her content, not only can she count on the quality of her translation, but she can also count on getting this bump in quality without disrupting her continuous delivery cycles. To get more information about IBM Globalization Pipeline, click the link below to check out the service on Bluemix.